Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to use your phone if the case is something like this. If your screen is completely filled with these lines and yellow screen, or sometimes it's green screen. So it's called yellow screen of death or green screen of death. There are a lot of names. So you cannot do anything, when it all turns into this color, or if it all turns to lines, so it becomes difficult to use this. So in today's video, let's quickly see how to use this phone when the screen is something like this. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So before moving forward, in case if you are also facing this issue, then there are good chances to get it fixed if you visit the nearby Apple authorized service center. So they will get this fixed for free. They'll change the display and give it to you. I visited one of the service center and they told they will get this fixed for free. This is a known issue in iPhone 13 Pro series and 14 Pro series. Basically after an update it happens because of compatibility issue. This happens is what they are saying. So there are good chances to get this fixed. But yeah, meanwhile, in case if you want to take a backup, then somehow you need to use this phone. And also for other things like reading authorization code or OTPs, even authorization code related to your work, maybe all in this phone itself. That's when you will need this phone. So I'll say you how to do this, how to use this phone. So there are three ways. One is a simpler one, second is moderate, third one is a little easy one. So yeah, let's start with the first one. In case if you want to read SMS urgently, and however you cannot see the screen and you want to read the message, then it's simple to do that. You just need to make use of Siri. So you just need to say to Siri, "Hey Siri, can you read the last SMS?"
You have recent messages from CPCD Slevs. CPCD Slev said, "Dear investor, e-voting for Bank of Maharashtra begins from the 26th of June."
So that's how you can read the SMS via Siri. And the next thing what you can do is if you want to use different apps, then you can make use of VoiceOver. You can ask Siri to turn it on and you can start using it. So it comes under accessibility. You can turn via accessibility in settings, or you can just say Siri to turn it on. And you can also see all the tutorials as well in accessibility voiceover option. They have showed how to use it. So you just need to say, "Hey Siri, can you turn on voiceover?" So sometimes it doesn't reply back, so they will turn it on. So once voiceover is on, you can start using it. So as and when you touch it, it will read out what option we are in. So for example,
TM family, 2 of 3 Wi-Fi bars, 9:38 p.m. Status bar item, entertainment, health and fitness for creativity folder, infinite painter, Dutch shopping, trap shopping and Zomato. Double tap to open.
So there are multiple options. When you touch once,
Entertainment.
When you touch it once, it will read out what option we are in, and if you double tap, it will open up that that particular application or whatever you are doing. So double tap is equivalent to a click when we are normally using it. So when you are in voiceover, then you'll have to do a different way. Double tap you'll have to do. Scroll, and to scroll you'll have to use 3 fingers. And if you
Notification center, 9:39 p.m.
So it will bring up notification center.
Control center, airdrop, switch button, on.
So this will bring up
Double tap to toggle setting.
So this will bring up the control center.
Airdrop, more controls, screen mirroring, focus, volume, screen record, recognize mute, vehicle mode, volume, airplay audio, airplane mode, switch.
So that's how you can use voiceover. And third way is slightly easier. So for this you need a PC as well. Basically what we'll be doing is we'll be mirroring the screen from this to the PC. So there are multiple applications which you can use. One is Let's View, then there is A Power, mirror, and there's another app called Lonely Screen, which you can make use of. So I've installed Let's View. So let's quickly see how to use that. So you can directly install Let's View. It's straightforward. You can search on Google and install it. After installation, it should bring up screen something like this. Good thing about this Let's View is you can use the mirror option without any limits, unlike the other apps. So once you have opened up this app, just need to make use of VoiceOver. So
Notification center, 9:42 p.m. Na control center, airdrop, switch button, on.
so you are in
Double tap to toggle setting.
so you are in control center now. Just
Edit more control screen mirroring, button.
you need to come to screen
Double
mirroring.
tap and hold to show more controls. Actions available.
So you need to come to screen mirroring. So you can double tap this.
Screen mirroring, heading. Screen, let's view dash, but screen mirroring, heading, let's view dash, button.
So there is Let's View identified as a AirPlay device. So once you click,
Let's view dash.
this should come up, and now you can turn off the voiceover. That's not required anymore. Hey Siri, can you turn off voiceover?
Okay, VoiceOver is now off.
So voiceover is turned off. Now you can also make use of a mouse, something like this. I'm making use of this wireless mouse. So you just need to connect it via Bluetooth. So once connected, you can start directly seeing this cursor coming up here, something like this, and can intermittently use this as well to come to the main screen. And also here you can do whatever you want by viewing the screen directly, rather than just using it blindly. You can use it via the screen. So voiceover is something which is over here, accessibility, and there is voiceover over here, and here you'll get a voiceover tutorial. You can view that, how to use it. And yeah, most of the things can be done via Siri itself, like turning on voiceover or reading out the SMS can be done via Siri. With this Let's View, you can directly view the screen on the laptop, and you can use the phone as you were using previously. But most of the things are limited, like banking apps doesn't allow mirroring, so there's a limitation like that. So otherwise you can use everything else. And apart from that, you can make it full screen, you can rotate, all those things are there. Only the view won't be HD in free version, so it will be limited. So it will be limited that way. Otherwise you can use this to its full potential without buying the premium version. So you can make it full screen and view something like this, and you can change as required. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to show you all. Hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions. So yeah, that's all in the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.